the combination would be given to you. So first of all, press the C, press it in real hard. You can hear a click. That means the codes are cleared. And then there's a code provided by us. So make sure you push the buttons right in, then turn it to the right. Okay, make sure you firmly turn it to the right. Don't turn it to the left first and then to the right. So let me show you. If we did this, you hear the click there, it cleared everything. If you go to the left first and then go to the right, you can't open it. So you have to clear this and then go to, and then pull at the same time.